You'll get to know the 7 passive income ideas that will make you rich. The 7th passive income idea has the real potential to generate you some serious cash, so watch this video till the end to know it. Now let's start. Number 1. Premium dividend paying equities. Allocating resources to companies that distribute dividends can be a strategic approach to growing your wealth over time and getting rich. Investing in mature, financially stable companies that consistently pay dividends can provide you with a reliable cash flow, allowing you to benefit without the need to sell your shares. In contrast to growth stocks, which rely on market appreciation, dividends can provide returns even in a stagnant market environment. Think of a dividend as a prestigious lineage, a reliable company that has consistently grown year after year. These stocks are well suited for individuals seeking a consistent income stream while minimizing the need for regular portfolio adjustments. Utilizing a dividend reinvestment plan to reinvest dividends can significantly enhance your wealth over time by leveraging the power of compounding. Companies that demonstrate steady dividend growth tend to excel in market downturns, providing a buffer against fluctuations. Number 2. Real estate rentals, whether managed or crowdfunded. Owning real estate has historically been regarded as a reliable avenue for generating supplemental income. However, overseeing property can present its own set of challenges. To ensure long-term sustainability, you might explore one of 2 strategies. Engage a reliable property management professional. Effective management involves addressing tenant issues, overseeing repairs, and ensuring timely payment processing. Explore the potential of real estate crowdfunding. Investment platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul provide opportunities to invest in commercial and residential projects without the need for direct property ownership. Make contributions and enjoy regular distributions on a quarterly or monthly basis. This asset class provides the advantage of appreciation in addition to consistent income. However, it is crucial to assess the risk profile and conduct thorough due diligence prior to investing your capital. Furthermore, real estate frequently serves as a safeguard against inflation, as property values and rental rates generally increase over time. By spreading your investments across various markets or property types, you can mitigate risk and enhance your potential for long-term gains. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more passive income ideas. Number 3. Developing a book or producing educational materials. Leveraging your extensive knowledge on a specific subject can yield significant returns over time by transforming it into a book, video, or course. The foundational tasks, including creation, writing, editing, and filming outlines, require significant effort. However, once your work is released into the market, it can generate passive income. The author has the opportunity to earn stamp duty with each sale, while the course creator typically supplies teaching materials on the platform for effective marketing and distribution. It is essential to offer practical and distinctive solutions that address the demands of the real world. Content that remains relevant over time typically generates consistent revenue. Consider enhancing your visibility by transforming your content into various formats, including audiobooks or YouTube tutorials. Establishing a robust personal brand and cultivating an audience centered on your expertise can significantly simplify the monetization process for each new release. Number 4. Protect and monetize your work and intellectual property through licensing. Licenses offer creators in fields such as music, photography, software, or templates a structured avenue to generate consistent income without the need for ongoing production efforts. When your work effectively addresses challenges or fulfills a need, it has the potential to be marketed repeatedly, often with minimal or no modifications required. For instance, individuals in the music industry are generating income by licensing their songs for platforms such as YouTube, commercials, and podcasts. Similarly, designers are capitalizing on opportunities by providing templates and themes in marketplaces like Envato and Creative Market. Additionally, developers are creating plugins and scripts tailored to meet specific niche requirements. This approach is especially beneficial for individuals who possess a collection of previously unutilized or underperforming assets. Should there be a suitable licensing provision, you might consider permitting restricted use by others, all while maintaining ownership and securing financial remuneration. Implementing digital rights management tools to automate your licensing process can safeguard your creations while streamlining the tracking of royalties. Consistently reviewing your portfolio and addressing client requirements can ensure that your assets remain competitive and sought after. Number 5. Developing a specialized subscription newsletter. By concentrating on targeted subjects and the needs of the community, email newsletters can serve as a consistent revenue stream. Writers have the opportunity to cultivate a dedicated readership that values and is prepared to invest in consistent updates, including industry insights, recommendations, and expert commentary. Platforms such as Substack and Ghost provide creators with the opportunity to implement subscription models while ensuring they retain complete ownership of their content. As archives grow, new subscribers frequently invest in previous editions, enhancing long-term value with minimal effort required. Partnering with fellow creators or specialists in your field can enhance your reach and provide greater value to your subscribers. Introducing premium tiers that include exclusive Q&As or behind-the-scenes insights can significantly enhance your recurring revenue stream. Number 6. Engaging in affiliate marketing via a website or specialized blog. Many individuals tend to misinterpret affiliate marketing as a completely passive endeavor right from the outset. In practice, it is only after launching a website, developing valuable content, and establishing credibility that one can begin to experience passive income for the first time. Select a particular subject in which you possess expertise or genuine passion. As time progresses, you can expect to see a rise in organic traffic, leading to an increase in conversions from product links integrated within the content. Steer clear of pursuing fleeting trends. Concentrate on establishing credibility by evaluating the tools and services you have personally utilized. Dependability surpasses the buzz. Monitoring analytics and enhancing top-performing pages for SEO can lead to a substantial increase in conversions in the long run. As your platform expands, establishing direct partnerships with brands can lead to increased commission rates and unique offers. Affiliate marketing has changed many people's lives in the past few years, but it's still not too easy to establish and requires a long-term involvement for sure. Number 7. Monetizing stock photography or video content. If you are engaged in photography or videography, you may find that existing libraries hold greater value than you realize. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 provide creators the opportunity to upload their work and earn royalties whenever their content is utilized for commercial purposes. Once uploaded and appropriately categorized, content transforms into a valuable asset that consistently produces income with minimal ongoing effort. By maintaining a steady output of work, you increase the likelihood that potential buyers will discover your media and secure a license. Consistency is key to maximizing your opportunities. Concentrating on popular themes such as business, technology, and lifestyle can enhance the likelihood of achieving more frequent downloads. High-resolution, Diverse and authentic content typically yields better performance in search results compared to generic stock material. This side hustle could also make you rich and substitute your primary job, as it has done for many. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the formula to double your money. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.